Different shape of the bangle have the different looks and different value. Hi J friend, this is Monica. Today, use one video you'll know almost the shape of the bangle in the market. The first one is very popular and comfortable shape. It's the normal round bangle. Inner is a flat, outer is a round circle. We call normal round bangle. We also call piece bangle, this one. And the second one, also inner is a flat, outer is a round circle, but it's a slim one. We call it a slim round bangle. Usually in width, under 10, we call slim round bangle in width under 10 millimeter. This one is also the inner flat, outer is a round, but thickness is more than 10. We call it the loach back bangle. It's a thicker one. And this one, wow, inner flat, outer is a round, but in width is more than 15 millimeter because it's a tire bangle. It looks like a more full body feeling. This one is a very popular long time before it's a popular, and now it's still very popular. Inner is a round, outer is a round circle. We call it the full round bangle. And it also have another name, is that donut bangle. This one we call is a true donut. Inner is a round, outer is a round. It's a full round bangle, but it's more than 12. We call true donut. For the donut bangle, it needs more the jadeite to design. So it's also it's more valuable for the full round bangle. And this one, if you want to use a little money but can get a high quality one, don't forget to check in with a box to get an oval bangle. You can see it looks the oval shape. It will more matching with our wrist. It needs less jadeite to design, so you want to get a very good price and high quality. Don't get oval bangle. And this one, wow, we call this one is the princess bangle. Inner is a flat, outer is a flat, or it's the flat, and it's a very looks like elegant. It's popular for the men or for the people who have the big waist. It will comfortable and looks very elegant. This one is a classic square bangle. This one, okay, or is the flat, or it's a flat square bangle. Two very slim, a pair of the donut bangle. These two we call ding dong bangle because it not only looks like the pretty and slim, and it sounds also very great. Dong sounds great, so that's why it has the name of the ding dong bangle. We also call it a pair dinner bangle. The last one, the special one, is the curving bangle. It's for the special design. Sometimes special design to hide the crack, but sometimes it's also only for the decoration with the different looks and the different feeling. Also, you need the high technique, craftsmanship to design like this one. Do you know the other shape of the bangle? If you know, can in the comment let me know. And also, if you want to see more the bangle different shape, you can come to my live. Don't forget to follow us. See you next time.